come together at one place.
Yeah.
So the blue is together.
The blue is together now.
Blue
Yeah.
to face away from you.
Yellow is
next
together.
move.
Blue is together.
So it's going to take one more move, and then this puzzle will be complete.
Okay. Hey guys, this is Wegen from down in the little village somewhere in Tanzania, East Africa. I'm doing travel videos about culture and lifestyle of different people around the world. I started off my life down in the little village and now I became an international traveler. Hi guys, it's a new day. I want to show you something that's how to play these puzzle games, you know. Actually, I bought it 2 times in my life. I didn't like it, but the funny thing is I don't know how to use it. So my friend Ali today want to teach me. So he will teach me. You will just see the hands, the way he teach me, but you can't see him because I asked him if he can be in front of the camera. He said no, please. So that's all guys, we're in South Africa. Subscribe to the channel if you're a new one. Check me out on Instagram, the same name WegMBC. If you have any question and if you know how to use it, just leave your comment below, you understand. So thank you very much. Let's watch how my friend gonna teach me. And I know it's been a while, I'm a bit busy fixing some stuff, you understand. So yeah, it's fine. See you to the next video. Let's enjoy this first. The white color. Okay.
You want the white middle pieces to adjacent the yellow, because underneath we have the white.
Yeah.
So it's underneath here. So then you align the adjacent color to the middle color there, and then you turn it all around like that.
Yeah.
And you repeat that process.
Okay.
Like that. So now what you have on the ground,
wow,
you have
I see white,
with its adjoining colors.
Okay.
Then your next move
is
to fill in the side colors.
Okay.
Which you take, because we're doing the white, you look for the white blocks.
Yeah.
And you look for
red.
the adjacent color on the side of it.
Okay.
And then you go towards the middle. You find the color that is appropriate to the color in the middle here.
Yeah.
And then you do this.
Yeah.
And this and that, and then you have now the key.
Okay.
And you this process.
Yeah. To this side again. Yeah.
Like that.
Wow.
Yeah. Like that. Right. So now you have your T's are crossed.
Oh yeah.
One more.
Yeah.
And you will find that your bottom is
it's already finished. White. Yep.
It's finished. So now you want to put your middle.
This side again.
Your side middle colors, and you want it to. So what you do is you find the color.
Yeah.
You take the middle colors here. These are the colors that you take the middle there.
Okay.
Then you find the bottom color. You adjoin it with the bottom color that is the same. Then you look for the top color. Which side is its middle? Yeah. And then when you see that it's here, you take it to the opposite side.
Okay. And that's the only thing I'm always afraid to. If I'm already managed to put this side maybe only white, and then I must take something like to change it. I think like it's gonna destroy this arrangement down there. Okay.
You have to destroy it to put it back together.
Okay.
And then we see where's the blue. The blue is on this side.
Yeah. You see?
Yeah. You have to destroy it in order to put it back together again. Yeah. So one more, two more left. So when it's caught in here and it's the wrong side, like this should be over here and this one should be over here. You have to take it out first by this move.
Okay. You know, these things is it's make you think. I mean, it's adding thinking capacity.
You know, it's about
they say so.
Interested in something. If you are interested in something, you will find out how it's done.
Yeah. It's build your thinking capacity. So I really like it since day one. But the funny thing is, I bought it 2 times the search game, the search puzzle. We call it puzzle.
Yes, it's
but
a puzzle.
I end up give it to other people, because I'm always fair.
Now you see that our two bottom rows is finished. So now it's only the top and the side.
Okay.
So now, to explain this to Texan, but I'm just going to do the moves.
Yeah.
This is also about pattern recognition.
Okay.
So because this is the fish.
Yeah.
You see, it looks like a little fish.
Oh yeah, because of
So now
it's like a fish.
Now because you have the fish, you know that the next move is going to be like this. So now your top is finished. Now it's just the side.
Yeah.
You look for two that is
wow.
At this specific one you have the two.
Yeah.
So you take it to the colors that is adjoining to it.
Okay.
And then by this move, you are then going to.
You bring something strange today. Yeah.
So now you have only the sides left.
Yeah.
So by doing this move, you will get the sides to come together at one place.
Yeah.
So the blue is together.
The blue is together now.
Blue to face away from you.
Yellow is together. Blue is together.
So it's going to take one more move, and then this puzzle will be complete.
Okay.
And there you go.
Whoa. Let me see. Blue. You see, guys. Wow. So he has already managed to make it. So one question. You learned it because I see there is a shapes like a fish, tea. You make everything you create here.
The internet is a wonderful place.
Okay.
If you want it step by step, YouTube is the best place to go and get it.
Okay.
You just say how to solve a Rubik's Cube, because this thing is known as a Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube, yes.
Rubik's Cube.
And it was invented by a mathematician called Alfred Rubik's.
The one who
invented this.
Okay,
yes. It took him 3 months to solve the puzzle.
3 months?
3 months, yes.
To solve this?
To solve this puzzle.
Okay. Yes. You see, guys, the history of this puzzle. You know, sometimes I'm making YouTube videos. Let me take it a picture so it will be for the sum up. Yeah. So, guys, let me say thank you very much for watching this video. I hope so you've enjoyed. Myself, as you know, your village boy is always... I'm trying to learn new things. I learned about skateboard, and you watched the video, previous videos. Let me turn a clip like this so that you can get I can get much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe. Don't forget to share. Leave your comment below if you know how to use it like the way this guy showed us. So then, thank you and see you next time. Bye.